Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by protecting your session and collecting essentials, so do this now. Plug the PC into power and connect Ethernet for stability. Once done, force a shutdown by holding the power button for 10 seconds, then boot into Windows Recovery Environment. If WinRe does not appear, repeatedly press F11 or F8 during startup. You need admin credentials and preferably a USB recovery drive. These let you run repairs and restore points without risking user data. You now run built-in repairs to fix update corruption. Begin with Troubleshoot Advanced Options Startup Repair. It attempts automatic fixes. If unsuccessful, open Command Prompt and run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the component store, then sfc/scano to fix system files. These commands undo the deeper causes of stuck updates. Next, use advanced options to uninstall the latest quality or feature update, or restore a recent system, restore point. You finish by confirming the system boots to desktop and then checking Windows Update. Pause updates for 7 days to prevent immediate reattempts while you verify stability. If problems persist, use the Media Creation tool for an in-place upgrade. This refreshes Windows without wiping your apps and files. If that also fails, boot to safe mode, backup important files, and then choose Reset this PC or a clean install. Remember, safe mode and backups are your safety net when nothing else works.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.